gather cattle horseback, you can really put your pressure where you need to and come across the hip of those cattle and start that movement away from you. Here, as I turn and go away, you notice these heifers turn and go back in a direction that's opposite what I'd like to do, but I'm just going to keep working across the hip, find a midpoint section on those cattle and try to ride through it and get them going in front of me. Here, once again, you just push on the hip of those cattle and it'll turn them back toward the group, and that draw that's going to start with that movement of the first set will take them all the way across the pasture until you stop that movement. These cattle are going to continue to move until I bring the next set of cattle across to them, and then once they all get together, we can start our movement toward the opening. Now here, as I go out to the side, if you notice I come back across these cattle, the cattle on the outside start turning and going away from the group. So if I stay to the inside, I'm going to actually turn my herd. So I've got to turn and come back across those cattle. And once again, once I get movement started and all the cattle coming, I can go out to the side. Because as I go out to the side, see, I can now control the front of the cattle once they were starting to turn to the right there, and I need to get them back in line going toward that gate. So I'm not going to worry about them stopping to get a drink. Just hold them up,